Just in the process of rebuilding one of the Bridgeport Adcock Shipleys here. We've just finished off ensuring that it runs nice and smoothly with the for the knee. And as you can see, it's all greased up. That's what your knee gears look like. There's a new bearing in there. As you can hear, it's absolutely silent. And once you've rebuilt it properly, that's what they should sound like. Of course, swarf gets down into there, so you need to make sure that area is all cleared out. All this area gets covered in swarf, unfortunately, because there's no cap over it, and it seeps through the slideways there. So you need to get all that out, re-grease it, and then make it all good again. But also, sometimes you have to adjust this gear here to ensure that it's running nice and smooth and quiet like this one is. So yeah, this is running great. We've also put a brand new chrome handle. They're also available as a spare part. They're absolutely lovely. So check those out. So you see, this is how far we go. Complete strip down of the Bridgeport.